extras.
Great guys.
Grayson can't fit.
Come on.
Grayson can fit in the trunk. 5 people cannot fit in the bag. Huh?
Harrison's gonna sit shotgun.
Yeah. I mean,
Then there's 4 of us.
Grayson wanna go too. That's 5 people in the bag.
Sure, he does not want to go.
I don't think he wanna go.
Oh yeah, he knows on one server.
Exactly.
We're just after in the car, and that is all that matters. This is kind of
Y'all eat some cereal.
No.
Oh, see. I was gonna eat a Pop-Tart, but I was like, I don't want to eat the blueberry. And then
I don't really eat breakfast.
That's fine because
We're going to Starbucks.
I've been
What did you get? What did you
John's
get?
my whole life.
What did you get?
What, Lauren?
I've been living near Jimmy
What do you
John's my
get?
whole life.
Near it?
Yeah, like near.
Yeah, you get my name. David's a fan of me. What I heard? Lauren look like a chittle. Harrison got that rainbow. Desiree's ordering. I want to prank people. Yeah, I want to be like, y'all, in public, I want to vlog like, we're so close to 1 million. Right. That'd be funny. Y'all, we are so close to 1 million subscribers. So close. So close. So close. Yeah, so far. Yeah. Just playing.
No, it's not.
You can't, you talking about me, I can't tell people are playing. You can't tell.
No, it's not a playing thing.
About Florida.
We don't play about Florida here.
I sometimes get confused. I repeat your word out loud, baby.
Devin still ain't get his drink when everybody else did.
I'm just confused like
Grayson playing the ukulele. Looking
That's not right.
Yeah.
Ah!
No, that didn't hurt. You over exaggerate all the time.
I didn't know.
You didn't know what? Look at you flinching.
Yeah, Grayson.
Yeah, okay.
You feel better?
That's enough of my face.
You feel better, big boy?
That is enough of my, yeah.
Okay. Y'all, we about to go to the beach. The lighting is gone. You gotta follow me. Y'all keep trying to copyright me, I swear.
I don't give a
Great thing.
Now you know you're a fan.
I don't give a
We're doing the water park, right?
Huh? Yeah.
And we're wearing our blue. Blue man
Okay.
Ow, shoot my ankle.
You okay?
Let me give you something to think about.
We about to take pictures. Pictures. Sheesh. Always talking about what he wants to just sit on his broke booty. So, oh my god, the car moved. Oh my god, finally. Crazy. We out here.
Oh, you want me to film your fit?
Sure.
This is the fit.
We're okay. I think we're good.
We're YouTubers.
We're gonna sit on the blanket.
We're just gonna walk. It's our channel now. Say hi to the vlog.
They're easy to, hello.
Show the fit.
Clean, Devin.
It's the same fit from earlier.
Please play sad music. Here, you just be walking slow. Galen, you should let me take me.
Huh?
Okay. Yes. This should be the thumbnail.
Hey, it comes. We'll just see if it came out.
I'm about to get copyrighted. I'm surprised I haven't. Like, my last 2 videos had music in it.
Man, it's a matter of time, Caitlin.
Let me try. You don't get copyrighted.
That's the beach. Not the beach. What's that called? This is where we are. This is gonna be posted after, so we're not worried about people finding us because this is gonna be posted after. We're gonna be gone. So this is our neighbors in their little shack. That's the dude on the motorcycle. And here it is. Oh, we're going to the beach. Hold the door open. Thank you. Come on, Harrison. No. Do we want to play ping pong? Ma'am. Do we look 60? So, this is Harrison. Here's the volleyball. Show them, give them a tour of what you have.
I have a frisbee and a volleyball.
Look how I'm holding it. My wrist.
And yeah, that's it.
Period. So we're walking to the beach. It's really not. We're at the beach. Look how white the sand is.
You need to know.
I'll film you, Kaylin.
Where we sit?
Whoa.
At the speaker.
Whoa.
Did you forget?
I didn't, bro. Y'all.
Aw.
I gave
Here, put it down and I'll put stuff on it.
keep up with it. Exactly. I was letting you keep up with it. Like you brought it to the beach. Like you did yesterday. So don't
Everyone
blame it
put
on
your
me.
object on the
Oh
side.
well.
Don't step on the camera. Ooh.
Desiree, what are you doing?
What does it look like? I'm holding the camera.
So you're not gonna play?
I'm gonna, if it comes over here, then I'll hit it. I'll knock it to you if it comes to me.
Finished playing volleyball, y'all.
HPK, baby. You know me.
Let me see.
You know me.
Hey.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, guys, we're about to go to the boardwalk.
I mean, they don't care.
She got the diamond.
I mean, I got a
with the
vaccine.
jewels.
We're in South Carolina. They
You can wear the one with the
But I
diamond.
don't feel
Which
so
one?
wrong.
And she got one with the diamond with jewels on them.
Oh, I got one. I got one. You want to wear mine?
Huh? Oh, yeah, sure.
They painted me out to be the bad guy. When it was the last time I was the bad guy. I don't know. But, you know. Let's look at Desiree's fit.
Okay, look, this bothers me. What bothers me?
Desiree.
People don't cut the refrigerator all the way.
Harrison's fit.
Harrison's back.
Devin's fit. Everybody else's fit.
I was like, yeah, okay.
This is my new mask.
It's clean, I promise.
We're here at the board. No, we're at the board. We're at Broadway at the beach.
Just to clarify, where have we been saying we were gonna go all day? We said
Broadway at the beach or the boardwalk?
We said the boardwalk.
exactly.
They said we got that's what I saw Broadway at the beach.
I was like,
She was like, we're going to Broadway at the beach tomorrow. I was like, okay.
I'm confused.
y'all about to go on this?
Maybe I'm gonna watch this if I don't like it.
They just, okay, y'all. We rode a ride. It was pretty fun. Now we're about to ride. I'm put it up. Now we're gonna ride this. So I gotta put you up.
I'm gonna go run.
Baby,
Yeah, baby, I'm not.
We're gonna get on that.
Y'all, we got.
Y'all, all the employees literally look the same. Like, this is getting cut out the vlog.
Take a picture of us.
Y'all, we almost got stuck on that ride. They kept restarting. We said no, no. So we just left because we're not doing it again. Y'all, we in the Croc store. Devin. Who requested him, buddy?
Probably Devin Unfriended.
Probably.
Kaylin, you got a music video?
We're in a superhero shop. We're in rec room.
Second time. I'll do the second.
Bogo. I didn't see that either.
You literally turned like when I raced.
Racing.
You turned way too late.
I was in my hair.
Okay.
That was a really good shot. That was a really good That looks better than what I got. Huh?
No.
I didn't get it. I didn't want it to like fry. I didn't like the size. I'm fine. I'm just. Oh,
Stop, Devin.
I mean, like with heights.
Oh yeah.
When we get to the top, I'm scared.
oh my god.
My song.
We'll be young forever. Give me all feel like I'm living up.
I can't tell. See? Purr. You want me to call it?
We're back home.
You didn't hear anything.
Ooh,
I mean, yeah, you didn't hear anything. Yeah, you heard nothing, Caleb.
I heard nothing. Ooh, I want red. Sure.
Live.
We got flashlights going out on the beach.
Who's banana?
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
I was just about to take it. After I took it, I would have said thank you.
She wouldn't have.
Thank you. Ooh, Grayson.
Okay, what?
You are really triggering me today.
Twist it for it small.
Really
What's she gonna do though?
Twist it for it to get small.
I feel like she's gonna beat me up. I'm genuinely scared of you, Lauren.
I already beat him up.
No, you did not.
Cash, 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 cash.
It's not big enough for my wrist.
Sir. Sir.
She's gonna be, ma'am. Calm down.
Angry black woman right here.
Lucky on Highway 85. Lucky on
You should
Highway
really charge your
85.
phone.
It's actually charged pretty well
Oh, excuse me.
for me.
Your phone, you know how to charge nothing.
What's up, y'all? It's K all day.
Look, y'all.
Back with another video.
Look, y'all.
Oh.
Playboy. I really like Playboy, but I'm not representing sexual terms of Playboy. I'm just representing the bunny. We in a bunny? We're homies.
Kaylin, you get it from PacSun?
Devin, let's play.
No, I got it from Misguided.
Okay.
If you would watch my Misguided YouTube video, you would know.
PacSun has a partnership with Playboy. That's why I asked.
If you would watch Misguided YouTube video, you would know.
I did. I just forgot.
No.
Excuse me, ma'am.
No.
Excuse me, ma'am. What?
What?
Excuse me, ma'am.
What?
Let's not walk too far. Because I don't know which one is the house.
It's that one.